Welcome WBP stars to Côte in a Capella hotel in Bangkok. Here we are showing a few recipes today. One is a Brill Fish with the citrus, and the other one will be a pigeon with red cabbage. Let's go. So here we have a Brill Fish we imported from France, Brittany. We pan fried, only skin side. Some clarified butter. This one the fins from the fish, so the exterior parts rich in collagen, and we use as a garnish. The dish is composed with pomelo, so we will put a pomelo flesh on top to make a kind of a salad. So we finish it in the salamander. So our fish is cooked. We go to the portioning. So we take out the skin from the collagen part. So as I say, the dish is is presented with citrus. So we have a salad that we make with fresh pomelo. We have a yuzu gel. We make with fresh yuzu juice and agar-agar. Just boil, set and mix. We put all the pomelo fins. Then we follow with the dressing. So we have a celeriac puree. We just making by cooking the celeriac with butter and milk and blend it. Then we have the pomelo skin puree. So with the skin from the pomelo, we just blanch and cook in a syrup to have a smooth puree. We have an orange sealed on the plancha. Again the yuzu gel. And a marjoram oil. Some spelled pepper on top of the fins. And we portion the fish. We season lightly with lemon juice. Cell. And we finish it with this is our clam emulsion. So our clams open, we take the juice, mix with butter and smoke it. So here we have brill fish with citrus and smoked clam emulsion.